although I have to admit, I was there, and the Eurovision Song Contest is a show for television, and you could tell because I mean I was looking to the stage, and you were far away, and there's so much happening around that you don't even see on TV, but they have to do this in order to make the visuals work, like to capture the perfect camera, to capture the perfect sound. There are so many things they have to do on location, which kind of make the experience a bit difficult because honestly, the sound on location was pretty. I wouldn't say terrible. I have high expectations, but I mean, it was a big venue for like 10,000 people, and those line arrays hanging at the ceiling. You have a lot of reverb added on top of that. It was super loud, like I was wearing earplugs, and then it kind of was too quiet. Although I have like very expensive earplugs that try to give you a good experience and not like this muffled thing. But still, it wasn't as nice as watching on TV afterwards.